man down and then rolls it into the back of the net. Getting his action there, Hamilton goes. Dixon again passes it in. It's too close to front set. And
happy Easter everyone, happy Easter. Hopefully you guys are doing good and everything is okay. I want to speak about KAHEIM DIXON, who is generating interest from clubs overseas, and in particular Europe as well. So we're going to touch on that. We're also going to touch on, just going to talk a little bit more about the player and what his agent is saying. But before I do that, I would really appreciate it if you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button as well if you're here, and go into the comment section and share your thoughts. What do you think is the best move for the player? So big up on yourself, people. Happy Easter as always. Anyways, let's get into the meat of the matter. So as it stands, KAHEIM DIXON, we all know, 19-year-old Clarendon College starlet. A lot of people really love this player. He's a young, talented, really talented striker, pure goal scorer. And I have to say that I'm happy that these links and these news are coming out surrounding him, because I'm telling you, he definitely is destined for something great. Anyways, so let's see what the agent has to say. Good. Our teenage sensation KAHEIM DIXON is on the radar of a number of European clubs and is likely to be on the move this summer, says his agent Kevin Cohen. According to Cohen, which is his agent, clubs in Europe and Major League have been monitoring the 19-year-old. However, he's hoping that too much pressure will not be placed on the young attacker who is still developing. And that is something that we are very as supporters, we consistently looking out for the next big thing. We are always looking out for the next big thing because we love hope and we love the fact that someone is being taunted by top clubs. We love the fact that we have a youngster who is on the break of being something good, so we can enjoy it. You know what? He was really good from then, and look what's happening now. So we love that. We love that feeling that it gives us. But we also have to be mindful of the pressure we are adding on the youngsters. Whisper is another one. That's Dejan Richards. Now he's at Chelsea, but there's so much pressure on him that he should be performing at a certain level, in which I don't think it's fair on him, because he's trying to settle into a new environment. So we're trying just not to put these type of pressure on the players. Anyways, this is what Kevin Cohen said. At this time, I can confirm that clubs from Belgium, Denmark, Portugal, and MLS are tracking Dixon and have stated their interest in the player. MLS, no for me. The lower tier in Belgium, I think that would be a smarter move, in my view. I'm not an agent. I don't know. But I like the lower tier in Belgium. It seems like there's a strong progression. They would have seen it with Boyz. I would have seen it with quite a few players in making that transition. But funny enough, that Kevin Cohen is well known for the Slovenian in that region, getting players in that region. So this is quite good to know that interests are generated from these teams and these regions. Let me continue now. Wally. Anyways, the expectation is that he'll eventually transfer during the summer. So no more KAHEIM for the Premier League, which I think is the best thing right now. He needs to move now. No other time. But we're still evaluating the different possibility, Cohen said. The main thing for KAHEIM at this time is to remain calm, focus, and keep focusing on getting better. So far, though, he has already impressed on how he is handling himself in the midst of his rapid ascent. Yeah, because he's such a humble player, and it's like, despite all of the knives who are going around him, he's not phased. He's not really phased. It's not bothering. It's not getting to him. Yeah, so it's a humbling figure. So that's good to know. Dixon helped Clarendon College here. Not going to read into that. He also was the top goal scorer for the Jamaican all-school team at KAHEIM Classic tournament in Florida in December, scoring 6 goals in 4 games to take the Golden Boot. In the 2022 National Tier 2 season, Dixon was the top scorer for Chapton Maroons with 14 goals. The Maroons qualified for the Jamaica Premier League for the first time. So he actually, to the role and play where that is concerned. In his first game in Jamaica Premier League, Dixon scored on his debut for Arnett Garden, which was a big thing. It was very, very big. Anyways, and also his debut goal came when we played against Trinidad in one of those friendly games. Here we go now. So from this is what Kevin Kwan also said. However, Kevin Kwan said the public should avoid putting too much pressure on a young player and allow him to gradually progress through the stages. For a 19-year-old, he has shown such high level of maturity and self-confidence, humility, which says a lot about his character. I'm not going to go that. And upbringing. Nah, me not to go that backside. Anyways, hopefully people don't get too carried away. He still needs a lot of time and support so that he can continue, to develop into what he truly become, or what he can truly become. So definitely, you can hear me reiterate the whole aspect of give him time. No unnecessary pressure. no unnecessary pressure. But he's a talented youngster, and I'm telling you, these links are very, very good. And the mere fact that the agent said, he will surely move, make a transfer this summer. I just really, really hope that the transfer is nothing to rush him, but something to develop him, because it's very, very important that we develop or get these players in developmental pathways rather than rushing them, making that big step, and then know when it don't work out, you know, we fans, same fans, are gonna say, boy, this is what consistently happening. We just overhype or the ball and this and the ball and that. So put him through the right stages and phases so that he can become the best of what he can. But as stand at this present moment, I'm happy to hear these rumors. This is very, very good. This is a really good look on the youngster. Keep on doing work in this and keep on getting better. And as so, when the opportunity presents itself, grab it with both hands. People, go in the comment section right now. Tell us what you think. Smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button. MG Sports TV. Happy Easter, people. See you guys again. Until next time, we're out. God bless. Boom.